Hello, friend. Welcome to our English corner. My name is Anna. I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Leo. We're your new English buddies. We sit here, you sit wherever you are, and together, we learn English the easy way.
We know something special about you already. You want to learn English, and you're trying.
And that's enough, seriously. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need this.
To show up. One small step today, one small step tomorrow. That's how English becomes your language. So, who are we? I'm Anna. I started learning English when I was a teenager. And I was terrible at it. I didn't speak. I was shy. I made mistakes, a lot of mistakes.
She still makes mistakes. And that's perfect.
Yes, I do. And I'm proud of it. Mistakes mean you are learning.
And me, well, I'm Leo. I learned English because I loved movies and video games. I didn't study much. But I listened a lot. I copied the sounds. Like a parrot.
He really did.
And here we are, two normal people. Not super geniuses, not robots. Just humans who found easy ways to learn English.
And we want to share those easy ways with you.
Most people think the problem is I'm not smart enough. But that's not true.
The real problem is this. People try to learn too fast. Or they feel embarrassed. Or they compare themselves to others.
Or they expect magic. Like learning English in 3 days.
Here, we learn slow. Gentle English. English that feels safe. Let's learn something tiny today. Something small, but powerful.
3 sentences. Just 3. And you can already speak English today.
Sentence 1. I can learn. Say it with us, slowly.
I can learn.
Good. You're speaking English right now.
Sentence 2. I am trying. This one is magic, because trying equals progress.
I am trying. And sentence 3. I will continue. This is the secret of every English speaker.
Say it. I will continue.
Some days you'll feel tired. Some days you'll forget words. Some days you'll say a sentence wrong.
And guess what? We do too. Everyone does.
But if you stay with us, if you watch these episodes every week, you will improve.
English is not a mountain. It's a walk. A slow, friendly walk.
And we walk with you.
You're not alone in this. This channel exists for you. To make English simple, slow, and possible.
If you're still here after all these minutes, you already did the hard part.
You showed up. You listened. You tried. That's the real work.
So remember your 3 sentences today. I can learn. I am trying. I will continue.
And next week, we learn a little more. Just a little. Step by step.
Thank you for being here with us. You belong here.